The Cycle Time Scatterplot serves as a visual representation of the elapsed time required for items to progress through a workflow from start to finish. Each data point on the chart corresponds to a completed work item or multiple items if a numerical value is indicated. The positioning of these points conveys two critical pieces of information. The completion date is represented on the horizontal axis, while the cycle time is illustrated on the vertical axis. For additional details about a specific item, users can hover over the corresponding data point. This action prompts a window to appear, displaying the completion date, cycle time, and the item's unique ID. By selecting a data point, users can access further information, including the start date, block time, additional fields, and the duration spent in each workflow stage. Users in Jira and Azure can select the work item's name to open it in a new tab. To analyze a particular time frame, users can utilize the date range feature, but keep in mind this will affect the date range on all other charts as well. Users can easily choose their desired date range from the pop-up calendar, selecting either a custom range or predefined options such as the last 30 days, the last month, or the current year. Alternatively, users can employ the date control located at the bottom of the chart to select any desired period within the dataset, either by interacting with the date control chart or by manually inputting specific dates via the selected dates calendar. The choice is yours. To remove the chosen date selection, simply click on the selected data chart. The chart calculates cycle time by measuring the duration from when items entered the first checked workflow stage to when they transitioned into the last checked workflow stage. For insights into the cycle time of specific workflow segments, users can select or deselect various workflow stages. As an example, let's say we want to see the cycle time of when our work enters dev active and finishes in testing. So we need to uncheck Done, Analysis Active and Analysis Done. Please note this action will affect all charts. If you wish for these changes to just be visible on the chart you're currently on, use the secondary workflow stages at the bottom of the controls. Next, we will explore the controls that specifically relate to the cycle time scatterplot, such as the summary statistics. This feature provides succinct information regarding cycle time and throughput based on percentile bands and user-defined parameters. It also offers an efficient means of determining the number of completed work items within the dataset. Selections and customizations made on your chart, such as the date selection, will affect the values on the summary statistics. For some aesthetic customizations, users can modify the color of the data points on the chart to represent a desired attribute. The attributes available depend on the fields brought in during the initial data loading process. As this is example data, only default fields are shown in the list. Users can select to auto-assign colors, choose from a color palette, or pick them individually. To remove the chosen colors, simply select Reset. To visualize items that were blocked during their journey, users can check Highlight Blocked Items. Blocked items will now appear highlighted, whilst items that were never blocked will fade. Users can also uncheck Include Blocked Time. This will allow users to view cycle times, including and excluding the duration of blocked items. This functionality aids in identifying which items are blocked and the reasons for the blockage, as well as striving toward an optimal cycle time without the influence of blocked periods. To enhance visibility of data point locations on either axis, users can activate the cursor options for date and cycle time. The percentile lines within the chart indicate that a certain percentage of work items will be completed within a specified number of days. Users can toggle the visibility of selected percentiles or average according to their preferences. The cycle time trend allows users to observe the trend line for their cycle time. To view the cycle time trend, select Moving Trend at the bottom of the chart. The cycle time trend can be configured for any of the percentiles or the average over a chosen interval. Users also have the option to view their cycle time in different time units such as weekly and monthly. Under Layout, users can choose to customize their chart view. Unchecking Show Date Control will remove the date control chart from your view, making the Cycle Time Scatterplot larger. Lastly, users can filter their data by attribute using the item filter. Similarly to the dot color control, the attributes available in the item filter will reflect what fields were brought in during the initial data loading process. You may notice that there are options to set filters for this chart and all charts. Selections made under all charts take effect everywhere, so take note of what filters are active and where. Select Clear to remove filters for this chart and select Clear All to remove filters from all charts. We hope that this tour of the Cycle Time Scatterplot helped you get started on your journey with actionable Agile. Please don't hesitate to reach out to us through our support portal or at support@55degrees.se.